create an event, conference, or ticket booking website, one of the first things that you need to do for you to have a professional looking website is for you to use a theme that is specifically designed for this purpose. All right, so that's what am I saying? That means you have to make sure you are using a WordPress theme that's designed for events, conference, and ticket booking website. All right, and in this theme, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best themes that you can use to achieve such website. All right, all the themes I'm going to be sharing with you, they're going to come with some demos. That these demos itself come with some added features like an advanced event management system that will make it easy for you to have that professional and good looking event website. Okay, so if that interests you, do make sure you watch the video to the end. The links to all the things I'll be recommending in this video, you'll find them in the description of this video so that you can easily check them out. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly go ahead right now and click on that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon so that you can get notified of subsequent. Thank you very much if you have just done that. So with that, now let's head over to the video and check out some of the best event and conference WordPress themes. All right, so the first one on our list is called Agbleze. Okay, so if you look at this, an AI-powered event conference WordPress theme. Currently, it has over 5,000 sales, and this in terms of pricing, it costs $59. All right, so I'll still show you some of the features you're going to get with this theme. But before then, now if you come over to this page that you can see on the screen or any other theme, okay, once you click on the link in the description, it will bring you to a page like this where you're going to see the name of the themes, you're going to see the featured image, and then the pricing and everything. So you see this option to add to cart. So this is where you're going to click on to add to cart. So once you click on this link, you'll be prompted to either sign in or you create an account if you don't have accounts with them. So it's a simple process. You can sign up using your email address or you can use your social media accounts to create an account, after which you'll be able to make payments to purchase the theme. Once that is done, you get access to be able to download the theme files. That is what you're going to upload into your WordPress site. So it's a very simple process. All right, so now let's continue with exploring this Agbleze. So let me show you some of the features for this theme. You know, like I mentioned earlier, all of these themes come with some demo ready-made websites that you can just easily import into your WordPress, and then your website is ready with a few clicks of a button. So let me start with the demos. You can see these are some ready-made websites that once you purchase this theme, you can import them into your WordPress site. So you might just need to change the logo, change some of the text to fit your brand or your kind of business that you want to create. So you can see these are all demo sites that are ready to be used. All right. So in terms of compatibility, it works with event team, Mets from LS Cache, contact from 7, Elementor page builder, and every other thing that you need to create. And you can see, create and manage and promote events with ease. Also, all these things you are going to be getting it alongside with the theme. You can see all-in-one event management solution. So if you want to do ticketing system, if you want to have a ticketing system where you can come on the website and purchase tickets. If you want to make your events, your current events, you can do that when setting out up. You can also list or host multiple events. If you want to have your event by Zoom, you can see all of these features are what you are going to be getting once you purchase this particular thing. Okay, you can see schedule management system, WooCommerce ready. If you also want to sell, if you want to sell, apart from selling tickets, if you also have something that you want to sell on your website, you can also do that. You can see multiple design, multiple devices, responsive design. So it's, you can see either on your desktop, laptop, tablet or mobile phone, your website will definitely appear very well. So these are some inner pages that are already built in, are ready for use. Okay, so a whole lot of other features. There's also video documentation. If there's a part of this theme that you don't understand, there's a video guide to put you through any of the section. Okay, so that's just a snippet on Agbleze. So if this theme fits what you want to do make sure you check it out. It's called Agbleze. I'll leave Agbleze. Okay, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. All right, so the next one is called Events Champ. All right, so this is also a good one, over 5,000 sales. That's to let you know that this 5,000 websites are making use of this thing. Okay, so that's tell you how good it is. All right, in terms of pricing, it's for $79, and it works with WP Bakery. So this is another page builder. All right, WP Bakery. So let me show you the feature for this particular one. Or it also comes with its own set of demos. So these are all the demos right here. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times 3, 18, 19, 20. That's about 20 demos across different events, in each game events, sports events, arts events, the travel, the education events, concerts, calendar, different formats, different layouts that you can actually choose from to create your events website. You can see advanced event management system and listing system. So you can see, so if you list an event, if you want them to purchase immediately, you can see there's an icon where it shows the price, and you can go ahead and purchase a ticket for that event. That's if it's a paid one. If it's also a free one, you can also set that up. You can see ticket integration and a whole lot of other features, okay? Event calendar and planner and every other thing. So you can have a Google map and street view, so that you can once you are creating an event, you can indicate using Google map so that your viewers can, or your people coming to your website can see where exactly the event is taking place, especially if it's an offline event. Okay, so that's just it on Event Champ. This is another good one, highly recommendable, so do make sure check this out, Event Champ WordPress thing. So if you're finding value, guys, please give the video a thumbs up. So next on our list is called Grand Conference. Okay, this is another great one, over 4,000 sales. Now for this one, it costs $64. So let me show you what you're going to be getting along this thing. This also comes with some preview websites. Okay, so these are the preview websites here. This for music events, AI summit, city events. Okay, we have a demo for design award, education events, multi-events. All right, so this is like you're going to be having multiple, you're going to be posting or be sharing multiple events, okay, on your website. You can do this, you can use this demo, design conference, business events, okay. A whole lot of demos you can see right there are available. So just like every other one, they are easily customizable, right? Then you can see simple and multiple event support, online ticket sales and reservation, multi-language and translation ready, beautiful inner pages and layout designs. All right, a whole lot of other amazing features that you're going to be getting by this thing called Grand Conference. All right, so before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to get some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right, so once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinja. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payments option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinja is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right. So now let's continue with our video. All right. So welcome back, guys. The next analysis is called event stock. Okay. So this is an abbreviation for events. So event stock. So that's another event conference thing. This is going for less, which is $39. All right. So this work with Elementor Page Builder. So you can see it here. And the RTL supported. Let me share what that means with you. As you can see, this has 5 home page with eye-catching inner pages. So these are the home pages. Okay, it's even okay. So you can see the task both for one page. So this is, you can see one page, and these are for multiple page. Basically, the difference between a one page and multiple page is if it's a one page, all the information will be on one page. If it's multiple page, that means there are separate pages for some of the links that you're going to be clicking. All right. So all these demos that I've been showing you, you will notice that I'm not clicking on them to show you all the full pages in all of the demo, because I don't want the video to take longer than necessary. If I decide to open all the demos for all the things we are looking at right now, the video will be too long. So what I would just advise you to do is, whichever one you want to pick, just go, you'll find a link in the description of the video, click on them and explore all the available demos, check out all the pages. Okay, some pages have been created for you, all the pages you're going to need, the major pages rather, let me use that word, has been created for you. So what you just have to do is to select which of the pages you want to use. Any page that you're not using, just set them to drafts, okay, so that they will not appear on the front end of your website. All right, I believe if you are into web design already, you understand that. But if you are new to web design and you want to learn more about it, just check my playlist on WordPress. You'll find a helpful video right there. Okay, so that's it on events. So the last one on our list is called Evently. Okay, this is conference and meetup WordPress theme. Okay, so and this is going for $69. So let me share this with you. All right, so these are the demos for this. So you can see here, this is for music, this is for blogs, this is for business meetups. So this comes with timetable responsive, inner pages layout. So these are the inner pages, what it looks like. All right. So with that, guys, I've been able to share with you, I think 5 or 6 best events and conference or ticketing WordPress theme that you can use to create a website. Okay, for those niches, we look at Exhibs, we look at Event Champ, we look at Grand Conference, we look at Event Talk, and finally we look at Evently. Okay, so let me know which of this theme you are going to be working with to create your maybe event, conference, and ticketing website. All right, so also the link to the hosting I recommended, if you want to take advantage of the 75% discount plus a free domain, do make sure you check the link in the description of this video. I'll leave a link to that and also to all the things I've mentioned. So guys, if you have any question for me, let me know in the comment section of the video. I'll do make sure I answer all your questions and your comments. So thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.